AWS Identity and Access Management, roles are a powerful way to grant permissions without attaching them directly to a specific user. Instead, roles define a set of permissions and can be assumed temporarily by trusted entities, including IAM users, services like EC2, or even external identities. Think of IAM roles as flexible permission containers. Rather than giving access to individuals directly, you create a role with a specific purpose, say reading data from S3 or accessing a DynamoDB table, and let entities assume the role when needed. This approach is ideal for services that need short-term access, automation tasks, cross-account operations, and security best practices. Let's walk through a practical example, creating a role that allows an EC2 instance to read data from an S3 bucket. In the AWS console, navigate to the IAM dashboard and select Roles. Click Create Role. Under Trusted Entity Type, select AWS Service, then choose EC2 as the use case. Click Next to move to the Permissions step. Attach the policy we created earlier, Data Team S3 Read Only. Click Next, name your role something like EC2 S3 Read Access Role, and finish the setup. Now you have a role that grants read-only access to S3, and it can be attached to an EC2 instance during launch or afterward, allowing that instance to retrieve files from buckets without storing long-term credentials. IAM roles promote least privilege, better security, and dynamic access management. They are especially useful in scalable architectures where services, users, and accounts need to share access in a controlled, temporary way. That is it about IAM roles, and thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.